machines to make pineapple juice made in Italy by Fratelli Indelicato. POLYFRUIT Ossoni pineapple juice extractor can process up to 10 tons hour of whole pineapples with a diameter up to 300 millimeters without any previous sizing of the fruit. Due to its working principle, during the squeezing of the pineapples, any contact between peel and juice is minimized. POLYFRUIT Ossoni yields are higher in quantity and quality than those of any other type of extractor existing in the international market. It is a very reliable juice extractor because of its design and construction and needs low maintenance charges that guarantee it a very long lifetime. All the milk produced daily by cows, around 350 liters, is used raw without being subjected to heat treatments of any kind and is, therefore, stored until cooked at a temperature of no less than 18 degrees. In storehouse cheese is aged for a very long time. At the end of each year, every single wheel is controlled by experts of the consortium and classified on the basis of the absence or presence of any internal defect. The hot branding of the rinds, which characterizes Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, is applied by the consortium only to perfect wheels, or wheels that have only the slightest fermentation defects in the grain of the cheese. By company choice, most of our production is taken to the mature stage, that is, not less than 22-24 months. Every day in our shop, we sell Parmigiano Reggiano that has been aged for 30 months and even over 60 months. HANDTMANN Maschinen Fabrik is a German company that specializes in manufacturing machinery for the food processing industry. HANDTMANN is known for its innovative solutions and high-quality equipment used in various food processing applications. One of HANDTMANN's core product lines includes vacuum fillers, which are machines used in the meat and food industry to fill and portion products like sausages, hot dogs, and other processed meat products. Their vacuum fillers are designed to provide accurate filling and portioning while maintaining product quality and hygiene. Over the years, HANDTMANN has expanded its product portfolio to include other food processing equipment, such as portioning machines, linking, and hanging machines. They serve customers worldwide and are well regarded for their technological advancements and customer-focused approach. For 80 years now, SCHWERDTNER has been baking using traditional craftsmanship, the finest ingredients, and a lot of love. From daily bread or rolls to delicate pastries and even custom-made cakes. We continue to be a traditional family business and personally vouch for the quality of our products. As an established traditional enterprise, we maintain a strong connection to the region. We operate with a conscious focus on sustainability, ensuring that we can celebrate many more anniversaries in the future. Nimco Food Equipment is a company that specializes in manufacturing and supplying commercial food preparation equipment and countertop appliances for the food service industry. They are known for producing a wide range of products such as food slicers, vegetable dicers, steamers, hot dog cookers, warming equipment, and more. Nimco has a reputation for designing innovative and efficient kitchen equipment that helps businesses streamline their food preparation processes. Their products are commonly used in restaurants, cafeterias, food trucks, and other commercial food establishments. Sermont S.A. stands as the foremost technological leader within the bakery and pastry sector, boasting a rich history of over 60 years of experience. Renowned for curating and distributing the most esteemed brands within the market, they provide unparalleled after-sales service and swift repair solutions. Finis demonstrates one of our amazing onion processing lines. This line, consisting from 4 onion peelers, automatic orientation units, onion dicers and slicers, centrifuges, and 2 packing lines, is one of the most efficient processing line in the world. Thanks to our hygienic process and the way of treating the onions in a gentle manner, we can achieve the best end products with a longer shelf life. Thanks to our experience since 1924 and our knowledge within the team, we have become the world market leader in onion peeling equipment. Founded in 2010, QUALIMARK Machines Limited has earned a reputation as a distinguished manufacturer, exporter, and supplier of a meticulously curated range of food processing and construction machinery. Our diverse product lineup encompasses cutting-edge equipment such as kakra making and roasting machines, chapati making machines, dough ball making machines, vacuum packaging machines, shrink packaging machines, and flour kneading machines. Each machine is meticulously designed and crafted with unparalleled precision by our team of seasoned and adept professionals. KAFES was established in 2002 with the primary goal of delivering top-notch services in the chicken cage industry. Throughout the years, we have dedicated ourselves to continuous improvement, aiming to provide our customers with the finest services and more innovative products. As a leading company in the poultry sector, we successfully developed a revolutionary product called the Elevator Collection System for egg collection. This system significantly reduces labor and time for poultry owners when collecting eggs. Moreover, we are proud to announce that we have obtained design registration certificates for our new product, the Waterfall System Egg Collection System. This serves as a testament to our commitment to pioneering advancements in the poultry industry. This manual cabbage slicer has a compact, designed to be used easily when is it necessary and clean up easily. It slices a cabbage simply by inserting a cabbage in a shaft, which is connected to the handle, and spin the handle after adjusting the thickness. You can quickly make delicious cabbage slices with our unique sliding blade mechanism. The flat blade can be easily exchanged.